trips to Rome go. Always on the road, she just wanna know, can you bring me home? Can I show you more? Or I'ma let you go. Yeah, Shawty wanna ride with the kid. Hop in the whip, take you for a little spin. Go so fast, you're ride with the kid.
You're the Urthemanjal.
Yeah, me and Joe at the beach, man. Beach day tings. And we on the iPhone vlogging, but it's all good. I didn't want to bring the big body Sony with me. And Joe got his camera, but he didn't want to bring the big body, so he brought his little body. Huh, Joe? Yep. We about to ride off into the sunset right now. Live from iPhone XR. Enjoying the weather. Feels good out here. Sorry for the squeak. I gotta fix that. I think I put the springs on the wrong way. And the little adjuster pins right there. Right there. Yeah, we cruising, man. All the instruments and music playing is all up there. Yeah, all the instruments, arts, all that. They got everything. Look, they got massage beds right here. You want a massage? Go over there. Need a bite? Right there. Yes, sir. Oh, look, they deep. Ding, 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 ding. Hey. There you go. Eat it then. Yes, sir. Oh. I want to see someone else. Drop in. Drop in, bro.
Nope.
No? All right. Drop in, drop in. No? All right. Who's dropping in? Just the big bowl, the fish bowl. Joe dropping in?
Huh?
Joe dropping in?
Hell no. Not with this, hell no. I went on my other board.
Oh, he got this little kid on his back? What the fuck going on over there? Look at that. He must got real good control to do that. He got a kid on his back. Look at it. He got a kid on his back, yo. Oh, if they fall, yeah. Man, he got control. He hard. Shouts to him. What's the deal? What's on the board? Tito's Taco. Oh, Titties. Titties Tacos. Yeah, man. This is all the. If you play GTA, this is all the stores right here. But I'm trying to get through right now. Let's see. Little beachy vibe. Shit, we can do a video too, man. It's the end of our ride. The sun's setting. How was the ride, man? How was the beach? It was chill. Yeah, I got out the house for a little bit. You know, COVID. Can't do shit. Sit down. He's looking at the classics. Looking at these classics right here. These are dope. Yes, sir. I can't name them. Okay, that's maybe a Bel Air. Nah, it's not a Bel Air. It's a Chevy. I don't know. Malibu, Chevy Malibus right there. Yes, sir. That's the Malibus right there, Malibu gang. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog, man. We're gonna end it right there with the sunset. With the little beach cruiser going by. The beach feds. But yeah. All right. See you on the next one, man. Peace.
What's up with you, though? I'm trying to get to know your interest, things on your Pinterest. Let's have fun and grow old. All those days been reminiscing. Now we fucking in the kitchen, in the whip, good shit, you name it. Yeah, we on, yeah, we grown. Long walks on the beach, sand up under our feet. See museums, the Coliseum, it don't matter to me.
Shit, we can do a video too, man. It's the end of our ride. The sun's setting. How was the ride, man? How was the beach? It was chill. Yeah, I got out the house for a little bit. You know, COVID. Can't do shit. Sit down. He's looking at the classics. You know, looking at these classics right here. These are dope. Yes, sir. I can't name them. Okay, that's maybe a Bel Air. Nah, it's not a Bel Air. It's a Chevy. I don't know. I don't know. Malibu, Chevy Malibus right there. Yes, sir. That's the Malibus right there, Malibu gang. Yes, sir. That's fine. Man, that's all I have for y'all today, though. We just gonna end the vlog right there, little short vlog. What's that there? You looking at the bike? You looking at me? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog, man. We gonna end it right there with the sunset. With the little beach cruiser going by. The beach feds. But yeah. All right. See you on the next one, man. Peace.